bomb disguised as a GPS tracker, a suspected Ukrainian intelligence operation, and a target linked to Russia's defense industry. That's the explosive plot Russian security services say they have just foiled in St. Petersburg. The FSB claims a 21-year-old Russian man was arrested at the entrance to the city's metro while carrying an improvised explosive device allegedly meant for a defense sector employee. According to the FSB, the suspect had been secretly collecting information on workers connected to Russia's defense industry. Investigators say he was acting under instructions from Ukrainian intelligence and had retrieved a bomb from a hidden cache. The alleged mission: plant the device beneath the car of a regional defense industry employee. Video released by the FSB and circulated by TASS shows the detained man claiming he first made contact with Ukrainian special services in December 2025. He says he was initially tasked with tracking vehicles and monitoring targets across St. Petersburg before receiving more dangerous assignments.
In December 2025, I got in touch with the Special Services of Ukraine. I received a task from them, which was to investigate cars and other objects on the territory of St. Petersburg. Then, from the curator from Ukraine, I received a task of the coordinates of the cache and a task to lift the object from there and install it under the bottom of one of the cars for which I was observing. I performed these actions for material reasons.
The suspect told investigators that a Ukrainian handler later sent him coordinates to a secret stash. He says he retrieved the object and was ordered to install it beneath the vehicle he had been surveilling. In the footage, he admits he carried out the operation for money. Russian authorities say the arrest prevented a potentially deadly attack and exposed what they describe as another Ukrainian-backed sabotage network operating inside Russia. The case highlights the increasingly covert front of the Russia-Ukraine conflict, where spies, informants,